guys, it's me Luna here again. Today we're playing Flood Escape 2. Oh, it's a bit loud. Today we are playing Flood Escape 2. And some people are playing already. And that's pretty cool. But seriously, I'm just not gonna say it. Oh shoot. Please. No. Oh jeez. Shoot. I totally forgot. At least, I may go to the first game actually. No, I'm going to the first game. Because the Flood Escape 2 is hard. I'm just going to go to Flood Escape, guys. Tell us about your crazy box thing. Let's do the medium one. I wonder if I win. Oh, don't forget to comment down below. Oh, and see the link in the description of my last video. Oh, shoot. Oh, jeez. Why? Also, guys, don't you dare tell anybody. But my actual name is Julia. Never, ever tell anybody, okay? A pinky promise, boom, done. But seriously, viewers, don't you dare. I'll play just a few more rounds and then I'm gonna do something else because I don't think I'm available to do that much long. But not this long, maybe. As long as the last video. And in the third video, I'm gonna make an intro thingy. But it's not gonna be that good, okay? It's my starting because I don't really got a good intro yet. I'm a bit bored, just saying. Now this is easy. this one. I played it before. Well, oh no. Well, that was easy. Now that was hard. Let's go medium. Now guys, don't forget to watch Unikitty for Shove-Tastic. Again, also watch BFBs together. Okay, come on. No! I was so close. Come on, make this one fall for no one else. Oh, I thought those two girls were the same. One, they don't have the same pants, and two, they don't have the same face, so they're definitely not the same. Why? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Watch next episode, okay? Goodbye, guys, and see you guys next time. Stay fresh.